Give me 64 seconds and I'll kill your fear of crypto. 10 years ago, a $100 bill would have bought you 0.4 Bitcoin. Today, that's $42,000. Same bet on Ethereum, it's now $88,000. In 2017, Bitcoin jumped 2,000%. And in 2021, another 1,400%. Altcoins, some printed more than 10,000% in a single year. Now in one day, the #1 investment firm in the world buys $971 million worth of Bitcoin. Nike, Tesla, and Visa are all doubling down on crypto. Multiple indicators signal to the fact we could be going parabolic. Bitcoin is set to break out. History shows Ethereum sprints next, and altcoins run the hardest. And that's where life-changing gains can happen. And the best part, you don't need a fortune to make it. Only education, conviction, and the belief that something amazing can happen for you and for your family when you walk the extra mile. You're still early. Your moment is now.